Conscious being, I am with Aigerim, a very dear friend to me, who is a therapist for...
Psychofunctional rebuilding.
Yes. Aigerim, what is your sole purpose?
My sole purpose is, as a therapist, to facilitate deep healing and transformation.
How do you help the humanity with the skills that you have?
So in psychofunctional rebuilding, we work with people. We help them to release their blocks from their body, because in our muscles, as you know, our emotions are stored, memorized, and this is the best and effective way to release.
What is the best thing ever happened in your therapist?
I remember one of my clients who was trying to heal himself from shoulders and arm pain for 6 years. He was looking for doctors, he was taking any painkillers, he was trying to find a solution, how to stop this pain. He was waking up from pain in the morning. I also relate this kind of feelings because I was having the same issue with my right leg. Back in the days I had hernia. And so after 3 sessions, he said that he is okay. He was not feeling any pain, it was not disturbing him. And I think this is the best result like I can share with you. Yeah.
Psychofunctional rebuilding. This sounds unbelievable, like you are on the spaceship and you are being rebuilt into something else. So what is exactly the therapy like?
So if I will say in simple way, getting people to the relaxed, that higher theta state, and releasing the blocks from body by pointing to the certain points on the body, and me as a therapist, I can broadcast that state, so body will react through subconscious mind and will release all the blocks, traumas, whatever stored in muscles, all the tension, and we don't have to even understand what's happening. We don't have to understand the process. It's happening like unconsciously, and releasing whatever we have. For example, we even forgot about it. Something from childhood, something we don't want to even remember. So body is releasing, it's ready to release now. And this is the effective method to help.
So you understand how to reprogram the whole body.
Yeah, it's like updating your iPhone.
Sounds very interesting. So I did experience a couple of months ago with Aigerim, the psycho-functional rebuilding, and what I can tell was that I never ever screamed in my life so hard as I screamed in that session, and I never knew that I had so many blockages that my muscles were containing, maybe even from past generations. So if you feel that you have those kind of blockages in your life, if you touch some certain places and you feel that something reacts out there, you definitely would benefit big time from a session with Aigerim.